What's up, everybody? This Bassin.n.bama, and today I'm out here getting ready to start a little fishing. It is 6:30 a.m. I think it's like 52 degrees this morning. I'm gonna do something a little different today. I'm gonna attempt my second Lucky Tackle Box challenge. My last one I did was probably a year ago, and it didn't turn out too good. And I've been intent to get out and do some more Lucky Tackle. I'm gonna get it started. I already have the lures tied on. All I gotta do is just start picking them. I got it already on the download on my phone, and I'm gonna start spinning. The first spin is the first bait is the V&M Flat Wild. Alright, here's the V&M Flat Wild. It's in a green pumpkin, so this should be a easy bait to catch something on. I don't know, I'm gonna see. And this is the this bait right here is in the Wild Thing series, and I don't know what it is, but this bait has a strong smell to it. On the package it say heavily scented, super scented, and when they said that, they meant that. This box also came with some 3-yard wide gap hooks, but I could have used those hooks with this bait, but I got it on a shaky head. I feel like I could do some damage with it on the shaky head, so I got it rigged up on shaky head. Fish on. Not the biggest, but got one. That's one bait down. I'm just gonna try to do one fish, one on each bait, and move on, just to try to complete the challenge, because there's a couple baits in there that I hope I can get used while it's still early, because I know I got a top water bait in there, and I know this like the perfect time to be throwing top water. But this one's not big at all, but I'm gonna get it back in the water. Next we have there we go. Grubs. This Lucky Tackle Box if I didn't mention it, this is the March Lucky Tackle box, and in this box we got some grubs from Lucky Strike. So let me go get those and give them a try. All right, that is the grub, white with a pink tail. I got it on a 1/8 ounce jig head. Once again, those are from Lucky Strike. So let's get this bait on the way and let's see what I can do. Now, I'm not the biggest grub / tube fisherman. I have them, but I'm not a really big fan of them. But I do have them for hard times. You know, like when the fish don't want to bite, I want to drop down to to some small. So I do have them. I have caught a few fish using grubs and tubes, but I'm just not a big fan of grubs and tubes. Got another small. Oh, it got off. I don't know if I can count that one as one or what. Finally got one on the grub. Another small one, but that do count. Let that guy go back. Spinning the wheel again. Let's see what the third bait will be. Grubs again. Top water lunker hunt link. Let me get that. This is the lunker hunt link. I hope you all can see that. That is about a little over 6 inches long, 5/8 of an ounce. This right here is like a jointed walking bait. I don't know how this is gonna play out. I changed to another location. I know a lot of you are probably familiar with this area because I have done a lot of fishing in this area right here. So moved to this location to try to finish my challenge. Got one. Oh man. Had one on the longer hunt link. What's up, everybody? Bassin.n.bama back, and I kind of aborted the mission. The challenge that I was on, and I know I was supposed to been going off spinning the wheel and letting the wheel pick the baits that I was supposed to be using. And the last bait that I was using that the wheel picked was the lunker hunt link, and I got y'all seen that I missed one, had one to blow up on it, and so I moved to another little spot, and I decided to throw the chatter frog, which is part of the lucky tackle box also. And right before I can get the camera on good, I did get a small one to hit it. This one here bleeding. I'm gonna get it on back in the water. I got that one on the Z-Man chatter frog, and I want to apologize. My battery died, and when I last was talking to you all, I did say that I stopped using the random picker, but I'm still continuing to fish with the lures that came in the March lucky tackle box. Okay, I switched back to the grub, and the camera was, I thought I was recording, but I wasn't, and I did manage to catch the biggest fish of the day on the grub, which was 1 pound and 14 ounces. Thought it was a lot bigger, but it was only 1 pound and 14 ounces. I did manage to get a picture of that fish, so I will include that picture in this video. Lost one on the chatter bait, well, on the chatter frog. That actually was a pretty nice size fish. I'm getting ready to leave. Fish on. Got one. Oh! Come on, what up with me and these fishes? Woo, boy, what's up with me and these fish today? And I moved to the to my first location where I started off this morning. And right now I'm throwing the monster bass. I think it's called a hammerhead crankbait. I'm just throwing this just throwing this because I really didn't get a chance to fish it today like I wanted to. But I really just wanted to get a few more casts with it and see how it perform. But I'm about to wrap this video up. I've been out here too long. It's almost 10 o'clock right now, and I've been out here almost 4 hours right now, but I still had a good day, still enjoyed myself. And I want to ask you all to continue to watch my channel, share my channel. If you're new to my channel, subscribe, comment, give me a thumbs up, and give me some ideas, something that you want to see me come out and do. I'm up for the challenge. This ain't my last Lucky Tackle Box challenge. Like I said, I still have some more stuff I want to do for my channel this year. So I ask y'all to continue to follow me. And like always, stay blessed.